What's up, you guys? How you guys doing? Here's another good product you might want to upgrade to. It's the Ecobee 3. You can connect to Wi-Fi, you can connect to your phone, you can help yourself save energy, and it looks good. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install this. It'll be quick, it'll be easy. Okay, so take off your old thermostat. Make sure you take a picture of all your wires. I already know which ones go where, but make sure you get a picture or write them down somehow. So now you got your hole for your thermostat. Then you take this, you level this, and you drill the holes. You drill the holes right here and right here, and they give you something like this for your screw, so that way you don't have to hit the stud. Okay, so now you got your Ecobee 3 light back mounted. Make sure all the wires are in the right spot. The blue wire is usually for cool, the white usually goes to white 1, the green goes to G, the red goes to RC, and the yellow goes to Y1. But everyone's kind of different, so make sure you take a picture of your old one. Also, that hole back there should be filled in, because any breeze or any air coming in could affect the temperature on your thermostat. And you also have a level right there. So also, if you have an older home or your thermostat wires, you don't have the C letter inside your box or on your furnace, you're gonna need this little module to hook it inside your furnace. But most people won't, especially if you have a new house. You shouldn't even need this. Alright. Okay, so once you got that mounted right, you want to take your Ecobee thermostat, click it in. Should take a second to come right back on, or I gotta turn on. Make sure you guys turn off your power so any wires don't touch. I'll be right back. Okay, so now it turned on. Give it a second, it'll come on. Okay, so now you got your setup right here. So all this stuff you can get through your registration. You don't have to set it up if you don't have Wi-Fi. There isn't no Wi-Fi in the house right now, but there will be. Most people will. So once you get Wi-Fi, you want to set that up. Your system, this you want to set it at auto, and then usually you don't want to mess with the fan. I'm not gonna mess with the fan, but you can in the speeds and everything, but there's no need to. The furnace will do that itself. Comfort settings, you got your home, your away, so you want to set this 66 for your heat, that's how hot you want it, 69 for how cool you want it, but you want to set it down lower in the winter time or in the summertime, so that way it doesn't bring it up past, you know, what you want your cold air to be. And then same thing with your away, same thing with the sleep. You can set it on vacations, you can set all kinds of reminders, your settings, like I said, your Wi-Fi, your date, your access control, then you can reset. You guys might want to read the instructions on all this, so that way you can understand everything. You got sensors, but for the main part, to put it on and keep it rolling, hit your comfort settings, hit what you want it as set on during the winter or summer. Go back, go down, and then it should turn on. Yeah, it's turning on right now. Then if you're home and you don't want the thing to turn off, you just hit home now, or when you're away, it'll stay on schedule. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it. Another good thing for your furnace is this light right here, the Patriot PCO. It's actually a UV light. It'll kill any bugs, any bacteria, anything. It'll kill everything inside your furnace, so all the air you're getting out is clean. I think this is a must for every furnace, and it'll help you keep your air clean. And anybody that has asthma or any kind of problems with their lungs, this will definitely assist with that.